大家好，我係 Eddie 周俊賢，歡迎嚟到由衷之言。隨住陸續好多民眾已經完成咗新冠疫苗嘅接種，美國疾病控制與預防中心 CDC 發布新嘅指引，允許打咗疫苗嘅人可以互相探訪嘅時候唔使戴口罩，仲可以喺室內舉行小規模嘅聚會。而好消息係一單接一單嘅。聖地牙哥動物園裏面嘅9隻猿猴接種咗新冠疫苗，成為第一批非人類接種新冠疫苗嘅朋友。我覺得真係令人讚歎嘅。令人讚歎嘅地方就係嗰9隻猿猴竟然自己可以上網登記完成註冊，預約打疫苗。既然佢哋都打完疫苗啦，咁咪即係我可以去我屋企打麻雀啦，係咪啊？安全㗎啦，係嘛？得㗎啦，係嘛？一間澳洲嘅航空公司為咗鼓勵人搭飛機旅行，諗到條新橋。
Qantas Airlines announced mystery flights that go to different locations. Passengers have no idea where that is until they arrive. The airline hopes the flights will help encourage travel.
咦，聽落去好刺激，好好玩㗎喎！但係當佢聽到機長話歡迎各位乘客嚟到北韓國際機場，咁就唔慌唔刺激啦。而另一單關於飛機嘅消息就係一隻好憤怒嘅貓襲擊機師，導致飛機要緊急降落。好明顯呢一隻憤怒嘅貓係發現自己坐緊嗰間神秘班機係去北韓㗎咯。最近費城國際機場正在測試一個運送餐點嘅機械人。
This is called Jita. It delivers food. A traveler orders the food on their phone using a website or an app. Then the robot goes to pick up the food, which is then kept in the cargo bin. Then it is delivering it to the passenger after following a human helper.
咪住先，個機械人係跟住個人類侍應生去送餐點，咁點解唔叫個人類侍應生自己送呢？英國哈利王子同埋佢太太梅根接受美國電視殿堂級主持人歐普拉嘅專訪。呢個訪問好睇嘅地方就係
There has not been an agreement. You don't know what I'm going to ask.
No.
And there is no subject that's off limits.
Yeah.
And you are not getting paid for this interview.
All of that's correct.
收錢爆料當然為咗收錢，唔收錢嘅爆料當然純粹為咗爆料，啲料真係勁好多嘅。如果大家有印象的話，英國小報成日都報導梅根同埋凱特王妃不和，梅根又受到皇室嘅種族歧視。喺今次訪問入面，梅根就講到自己當時精神健康出現問題同埋崩潰嘅情形。
I went to one of the most senior people just to get help. And that, I share this because there are so many people who are afraid to voice that they need help. And I know personally how hard it is to not just voice it, but when you voice it, to be told no. And so I went to Human Resources.
佢唔講我係唔知，原來白金漢宮嘅皇室裏面係有人事部，我成日以為淨係得茶水部嘅啫嘛。講返正題。
Did you ever think about going to a hospital, or is that possible that you can check yourself in someplace?
No, that's what I was asking to do.
Yeah.
You can't just do that. I couldn't, call an Uber to the palace.
梗係唔得啦！佢點可以隨便叫個 Uber 或者叫的士去睇醫生同埋返皇宮呢？作為一個嫁俾王子嘅人，佢係要叫啲仙女返嚟，將個南瓜變成南瓜車，咁先可以離開皇宮㗎嘛。其實我諗梅根犯咗最大嘅錯誤就係喺佢嫁俾阿哈利王子之前，佢冇做功課。
You were marrying a 1,200-year-old institution. You're marrying the monarchy. What did you think it was going to be like?
Well, I didn't do any research about what that would mean.
You didn't do any research?
No. I've never looked up my husband online.
咁我真係幫佢唔落嘅。我去一間未去過嘅鋪頭入面食雲吞麵，我入鋪頭之前，我都會上網查下呢間嘢好唔好食啊，啲服務好唔好啦。更何況你而家係同一個王子結婚，只能夠怪你睇得太多迪士尼嘅卡通片啦。佢同佢老公嘅屋企人相處得唔係幾好，搞到王子同自己屋企人都鬧翻。
When we were in Canada, I had 3 conversations with my grandmother and 2 conversations with my father before he stopped taking my calls.
父子唔聯絡真係好難過嘅，尤其是查理斯王子出咗名鍾意係查理， 而家佢唔查你不特止，仲唔聽你電話，你就知出事㗎啦。梅根話自己同皇室真正出現問題嘅係，當梅根得知皇室唔俾佢個仔杜亞奇一個王子嘅頭銜，同埋享有皇室保安嘅待遇嘅時候出現嘅。
Was the title, was him being called a prince, Archie being called a prince, was that important to you?
If it meant he was going to be safe, then of course. All the grandeur surrounding this stuff is an attachment that I don't personally have, right? I've been a waitress, an actress, a princess, a duchess. I've always just still been Meghan, right?
不過梅根要做王妃要做公主，就要承受做公主嘅壓力。當然冇辦法100%做自己嘅，有時候真係佩服中國人嘅智慧，好多複雜嘅情形用一句成語就可以講得清清楚楚。梅根呢個情形就係、值得鹹魚抵得渴。不過最令梅根感到心傷繼而心寒，最後心死嘅就係以下呢一段同皇室嘅對話。
In those months when I was pregnant, all around this same time, so we have in tandem the conversation of he won't be given security, he's not going to be given a title, and also concerns and conversations about how dark his skin might be when he's born.
What?
What？ 喂，我讀得書少，大家唔好呃我。咁樣講算唔算係種族歧視啊？但對於好多人嚟講，算唔算種族歧視唔重要，最重要嘅係邊個皇室成員講埋啲咁嘅嘢。
And you're not going to tell me who had the conversation?
I think that would be very damaging to them.
我覺得梅根咁樣講，反而令到我哋有想像空間，對皇室嘅傷害重大。不過唔緊要，梅根唔講，我哋問王子。
Meghan shared with us that there was a conversation with you about Archie's skin tone. What was that conversation?
That conversation I'm never going to share. But at the time it was awkward.
你哋唔講人家今晚點瞓得着啊？不過第二朝主持人就接受另一個訪問嘅時候，佢就俾咗少少 tips 我哋。
He did not share the identity with me, but he wanted to make sure that I knew, and if I had an opportunity to share it, that it was not his grandmother nor his grandfather that were a part of those conversations.
唔係英女王，又唔係菲利普親王，咁咪即係佢？總之，一入豪門深似海，何況而家係入深宮啦，一入深宮就冇陰功。鍾意今期由衷之言嘅朋友，記得訂閱、分享、讚，拜拜。